Okay, today we're featuring a 2015 Ford Mustang GT Premium. It's Oxford white in color. It's got 47,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. Go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. It's got the nice black 5.0 badge on the side here. Driver's side of the vehicle's in good shape. Got the deck lid spoiler, backup camera, dual exhaust. It is a 6-speed manual. Alright, passenger side of the vehicle looks good. Alright, it does have the turn signals and the side mirrors. Alright, exterior of this vehicle is in great shape. It's a 47,000 miles. Clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels, power windows, power mirrors, power locks. Alright, does have the nice thick rubber floor mats down here. It's got the beige leather seating, the black trim, perforated leather inserts. All right, driver's seat's in good shape. Passenger seat looks good. All right, go ahead and take a look at the back seat. All right, back seat leather looks good. Once again, got the perforated inserts, black leather trim. All right, it does come with a keyless entry key fob. And once again, it is a 6-speed manual transmission. All right, it's got the illuminated red cup holders here. Got your push button start, heated air conditioned seats, dual climate controls. Got your backup camera and radio display right there, and we'll show you that in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. And it's got your cruise control over here on this side. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 47,751 miles. All right, now that we've got it started up, go ahead and show you the radio display. All right, you got information over here, phone, you got entertainment, climate, does have heated and cooled seats. All right, we'll go ahead and activate the backup camera for you. All right, there's the backup camera. Got the guidelines on there as well. Okay, AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. Got your heated and air conditioned seat buttons here. Got your dual climate controls. Okay, push button start, USB and power outlet right here. It also has a cool feature, it's the steering mode. Okay, you can hit this button right there. It'll give you a feel for the steering. You got normal, sport, or comfort. And then another feature it has is mode. And this is your drive mode, and it's going to show up right here as well. So you got normal, sport, track, and snow and wet. Okay, so there's different kind of driving modes there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at your trunk space in the back. All right, carpet's nice and clean back here. All right, got your air compressor pump right there. All right, I'll step to the side so you can see the depth, but plenty of room back here in the trunk. All right, take a look at the wheels and tires. Got, let's see what size we have here. 18-inch alloys. All right, tires are in great shape. Looks like a brand new set of tires. Plenty of tread left on them. All right, we'll go ahead and pop the hood and give you a shot of the engine here. All right, got that 5.0. Everything looks like it's in really good shape. All right, once again, it's a 2015 Ford Mustang GT Premium, 47,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. This thing's in fantastic shapes, Oxford white in color, exterior, interior, well taken care of. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.